Hi guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Guess what? We launched new sublimation masks again. This time I'm going to introduce to you our new masks with black edges. They come with these new black ear loops. They feature great elastic, so they can be stretched to wear on your ears. And with the elastic ear loops, these masks can sit well on more people's faces and won't cause any pain after a long time wearing. And also, each ear loop comes with a little rubber band that can be moved to adjust the sizes of the ear loops. And it's very easy to put the loops through the rubber bands. Just need to prepare a little paper clip, or you can use an iron wire. Now let's complete the mask here. First, I need to straighten the paper clip. And bend it over. Just like this. Then put the clip on one ear loop. Then insert the clip into the rubber band and pull the ear loop all the way through. Now I will use the same way to complete the other ear loop. See? It's just that easy. For personalization, please put on the rubber bands after sublimation printing. And the elastic ear loops are heat resistant, so don't worry, they won't be out of shape after heating. If you like these sublimation face masks here, please give us a thumbs up and keep following BestSub TV. We will develop more masks and make more videos. And if you want to check more masks we have, please go to our website www.bestsub.com. And if you have some questions about the sizes of the masks, or if you need some help, please contact our sales team by sending an email to best@bestsub.net. I'm Alex. See you in the next video.